Habpro. Entry gate maintenance, repair, and installation services.
Here we have a LiftMaster LA 400 double swinging gate. The initial problem with this system was that the safety beam, which you can see up close right here, was out of alignment. When I showed up, the light was red. It should be blue, indicating that it's in alignment. It's supposed to reflect off of this sensor and look back at itself. And then of course we had a situation where the one arm, right side facing out, was not mounted like it should be, so it was not allowing the gate to function like it should. The keypad needed a new code in it. Of course, we checked the battery while we were at it, and then we reset everything, and here you go. And this gate is purring like a kitten, like it's supposed to. Now this one's set on a timer, so it's going to open all the way, and then it's going to wait about 90 seconds, and it's going to close. But here we have it, another satisfied Habpro customer. For all your gate opener needs, automatic gates, all brands, give Habpro a call, 770-985-3355, or find us on the web at www.habprogaragedoors.com.